Hello everyone, this week's reading seems to be a recap of all three books that we've read. Effective Classroom Management, What Should I Do, and Teaching the Taboo. Again, as we revisit Effective Classroom Management, we revisit developing a classroom plan, physical design, rules and routines, creating relationships student to student as well as student to teacher. We focus on an engaging instruction, how to motivate students, how to assess them, and then also take feedback. We also learn how to deal with misbehavior. And in What Should I Do, we review how you, as a future teacher, will best combat teaching what's right and what's best, and then thinking about what's best for whom, as well as having to realize that we may have to compromise even without knowing for sure what the consequences will be, or even if there will be any consequences. As we take a look at Teaching the Taboo, we look at the quote here on the screen that says, "Optimism and hope are different." And this really resonated with me. The author speaks about how optimism is really having the evidence that will explain to you later how things can be better, and hope is really having that faith against all odds, even when the situation looks dire and there's no promise of a better tomorrow. And that really resonated with me because we need to be able to show our kids in the classroom the difference between optimism and hope, and when one can be very useful and when the other can be detrimental. This we can connect to our classroom where we learn about urban versus suburban. We talk about the Common Core curriculum, and we also take a look at things in the media versus what's being done in our classrooms. And in the future, I'll look at these things as future questions or morals for my classroom.